Now to the push from some state lawmakers to limit the rules regarding coronavirus protection. Right now, two pieces of legislation are up for debate, and it could impact everything from businesses, schools, even hospitals. The bills aim to make it illegal to require vaccines. It also wants to make it illegal to require masks as a consequence for not being vaccinated. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell live with the debate and what health experts are saying about it. Kim?
Yes, I'm live at Henry Ford West Bloomfield, and health system leaders, they say they don't want to get into a political debate, but what's in this bill, they say science shows, is dangerous, could put lives at risk, and could lead to the spread of COVID-19. House Bill 4471 would ban employers from requiring vaccinations or requiring masks as a consequence of being unvaccinated.
I'm hearing from people that are scared.
State Representative Beth Griffin, a Republican from Van Buren County, says she helped introduce it because people should not get fired if they don't want the vaccine. She says regulating employers prevents staffing problems for employers.
Hospitals are looking at reduced staff and stressed employment levels by forcing this on the people that are left that have been through hell.
And at the present time, it's a safety issue.
Dr. Adnan Munkara is Executive Vice President and Chief Clinical Officer of the Henry Ford Health System, which is requiring employees get vaccinated. He says to protect staff and patients, the state should not ban medical safety rules.
Is the next thing is the legislator is going to decide which medication we can give or we cannot give based on the science that exists out there. It is really concerning to me with where we are having that dialogue and the discussion. Wearing a mask is a medical decision within our hospitals at the present time.
You know, as an English teacher, I compare it to the flu.
We've used it before for the flu.
Dr. Munkara says the hospital has required staff who don't get the flu shot wear masks.
Everyone who's getting a vaccination, everyone who's wearing their mask while indoors, those are all important steps that we all take as members of the community with a shared responsibility of protecting our children, especially those under 12.
Ann Arbor Public Schools Superintendent Janice Swift says her district's locally elected leaders decided to require staff vaccinations or testing, plus is requiring masks. Republican lawmakers have also introduced House Bill 5269, a bill that would ban mask mandates in schools. House Democratic leader Donna Lisinski says both of these bills put politics before the health of the most vulnerable.
So as we're in this gap where vaccines aren't available to children, local school districts should be able to make the decision whether or not mask mandates are right and appropriate for their schools.
So as lawmakers tomorrow prepare to debate whether employers should be banned from being able to require vaccination, the leaders of the Henry Ford Health System repeatedly during their press conference today shared the message that vaccination is the way to protect yourself and others safely in this pandemic. Reporting live in West Bloomfield, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.